Hey guys, today we're going to do a program on packages, using packages. So here's the question. You have to develop a hostel management system. Hostel management system for the hostel manager to maintain the various hostels. So in the hostel, as we know that there are obviously students and the employee, and the details are what we have done is given water and the implements, and what you're doing is we are implementing all these as packages. We are creating a packages for all these three, and then implementing in the main class. And the next thing, what we're going to do is we're going to giving the attributes for like name, destination number, room number for the student packages, also providing the some attributes for other two of the packages. And next thing, providing the setter and getter method for all the attributes in their respective packages. And then we're going to import all the packages in the main class using their name, class name. And okay, now let's see the program. Um, as you can see, this is the program. There are four packages that I have created, and in the first packages, as you can see, a class called employee. In the employee, it has the name of the employee and the work of the employee and how much salary it gets. And we are doing this everything in a string method, string variable, and we are returning the name, getting the name, and then returning and setting the name of the string using this pointer. And by this we can get the input of the employee details. And then the next is the water, the how much quantity it cost, and the cost of the water is being set through this packages called inside the class called water. And the next is the student. The student details, the registration number, the room number, and the name of the student is being registered in the student class, and its packages is h3. And in the main function, what we have done is package h4. We have imported okay. What we have done is we are importing h1 dot employee and h3 dot student st into this thing. So it gets transferred, and then the main class, what you've done is creating an object for all these classes, and then a scanner for them to get the input from the user. And inside the public static void main string, there's an hostel management system called we are doing a minimum program, so in choice is equal to 1, and you're given the first as I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. While the choice is not equal to 0, we're gonna print out that enter the details of student, displaying the details, deleting a record, and entering all these. And then we're entering the in the case one, we enter the name of the student and everything. Second thing is we are displaying all the details. The third one is entering the number of students we have to remove, and the fourth one is how much the water is required for the particular students, how much they are. And then the next is system, the entering the name of the employee and the work assigned them and the salary that is given to the employee. And then the sixth one, we are displaying the employee details. So this is a program that I have done. So here's the function for removing a student. So remove is equal to remove minus 1. So what it does, it removes from the back uh, of initializing a student, and therefore it deletes the student. And then the water requirements is done by entering the total number of students, and that number is being calculated into 20 times. So the cost, quantity, and the total amount of water required is the student plus the liters. And the price of the water per liter is 10. So in price, student into student 1 into price, so the price of the liter will be price 1 plus rupees. And thus it gives the output. So let's see the output for this program. So first thing, let us enter the details for a student. Uh, Student is Peter. Oh, sorry. Student name is that's Peter, and the registration number is CS116, and the allotted number let it be 140. 140. And now our student has been done, and then let's display the details for it. So if you scroll down, you can see the details. As you can see, the student number is 1 and the student name is Peter. Registration number is CS116 and the row number is 140. Uh, Now let's see row of students 4. So if it is 4, the total number of students is, if it is 4, the total amount of water required is 80, that is 4 into 20, which is 80, and the price for the required amount of water is 800 rupees, that is into 10 times we have given away, as you can see. So by this, it's a package program and it has its own file by it. So thus, this program is working fine and we're getting the output. Thank you for watching.